I tried so hard and got so far, but in the
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Mirror, and the slogan of my channel is don't stop until you find a way. Let's start with the two important questions. So here it is. World Diabetes Day is observed on. Okay, now come to the point. The World Diabetes Day was observed globally on 14th November. The theme for Diabetes Awareness Month and World Diabetes Day 29, Family and Diabetes. World Diabetes Day was created in 1991 by the International Diabetes Federation and the World Health Organization in response to growing concerns about the escalating health threat posed by diabetes. World Diabetes Day became an official United Nations Day in 2006. It is marked every year on the 14th November, the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who co-discovered insulin along with Charles Best in 1922. And the important point is theme of diabetes awareness is now the second point is World Day was created in 1991 by International Diabetes Federation and observed globally on 14th November. This is very important. Please note down this one, or otherwise watch this topic again. Let's move to the next question. And the question is which state's government launched e-ganna app web portal? This is the picture of GANNA app. You can download it from Play Store easily, and this is free. Okay, we will know the answer with details. Uttar Pradesh government has launched a dedicated web portal and a mobile application, which is e-ganna app for sugarcane farmers of the state. The portal and the app will ensure transparency in the process of getting slips and facilitate sugarcane supply by farmers to mills and check irregularities. Static current affairs from this topic, which is important for your examination. You know this very well. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath and the governor is Anandiben Patel. I hope you must like this topic very much, and for more related videos please subscribe, like and share my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get more related videos. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.